I've done it again. Landed in another picture-perfect city on the East Coast. Virginia Beach. Virginia is for lovers, and I am a lover, so I'm a liking. It's only about 80 miles north of the Outer Banks. This whole coastline is gorgeous and so livable. It's got the ocean, it's got waterways, it's got money, but it also has really affordable housing, and I'm pretty sure it's a really easy place to live. Lots of military. There are tons of Air Force and naval bases here, which attracts people like Keith. He's ex-military and wants to relocate from his current home in Arizona with his wife Charis and 2 young kids.
Hey!
Is there a baby involved?
Hi.
Oh my gosh. Are you guys in desperate need of caffeine?
Yes.
Please.
After you. Oh, he's so cute. Hello.
Hello.
This is exciting.
Say hi.
You're on camera. Dimples. How much have we won? Who's the gambler?
So it wasn't actually a win. We
Okay.
had a turn of life-changing events, a settlement that we got, and it was $100,000.
All right.
So,
Well, congratulations. That's a down payment for a house.
oh my goodness, and then some.
Now, you guys originally from here?
No, we're not.
We actually got stationed in Japan for 3 years, also Arizona for 3 years, so
Why Virginia Beach? There's tons of beach towns in all of the country.
Yeah.
Why'd you choose this one?
Virginia Beach is very military friendly, even though I'm no longer active duty. It's
Right.
nice still going to the military, grocery stores, things like that.
Nice.
And also it's a really good place to raise your children.
All right, so what kind of house are we looking for?
At least a 4-bedroom house, at least 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
A pool is a must-have.
Must-haves.
Definitely.
Okay. So, yes, you want that pool
want
too,
the pool
don't
too.
you?
Swim.
You want to swim. What else?
The neighborhood, nice, family friendly,
Of course.
you know, kids playing outside.
Doesn't have to be your most up-to-date house, but move-in ready.
You're okay with it being a little on the dated
Yeah.
side?
Yes.
Definitely.
High ceilings too. I'm 6'3",
Yes.
so I cannot have a ceiling that I'm looking at right here.
All right, how much money are you giving me to spend?
$350 to $400, but if we find something over $400,
Like how much over?
ooh, $415.
415.
Yeah.
Okay, so barely
415,
over.
yes,
We're just really,
yeah.
it's about the neighborhood, the pool, your high ceilings, whatever. We'll work it out.
Please.
Just don't make the hair grow any higher.
It's gonna grow.
Is it?
Yes.
How far are you gonna go?
I'm letting it go. And once I got out of the military, it's like, you know, just live life.
Let's hit the ceilings.
Let's do
Let's
it.
Not
hit
hit
the
the
ceilings.
ceilings.
No, let's get ceilings that I won't hit, please.
They're all amazing properties. The tough choice is, which ones am I going to show Keith and Charis? Who am I kidding? Of course I'm going to start at the very top of their budget and show them Hampton Road. They want a great neighborhood and they want a pool. And of course, he threw in tall ceilings because he's about to have big hair. Yes, 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 color coordinated and everything.
Yeah, we
tried.
Oh, you
We
tried.
tried.
I love it.
Tried.
Now it's your time to compliment me.
You look great.
The black it's really your color.
You know, I
It
wanted
is.
to match with whatever you guys were
Yeah.
wearing.
I like it.
Do you like this neighborhood?
I love it.
Love
you know,
it.
I get the all-American dream feel from this neighborhood.
Yeah, all the houses are beautiful.
Yeah.
Let me tell you a little bit about Hampton Road.
All
It's got
right.
4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, 2,356 square feet.
All right.
Has everything that you want at $415,000.
Sounds.
Not too bad.
You said
Yeah.
if I could find that house.
We can do
We
it.
can do it. Let's
All right,
see it.
let's go do it.
All right.
We have some boxwoods
I
here.
really like these
Oh,
bushes
wow.
out front too.
Come on in.
Wow. Oh,
Really nice.
that's really nice.
Hello, tall ceiling.
I love the yellow too.
Do you like the yellow?
I do. I
Oh,
love
good.
that. It's such a
Oh.
beachy vibe to me.
Good.
Kind of matches us.
It's a good foyer. I mean, we're just getting started.
Really good fillings
I
right here.
really like it.
Let's go into the kitchen and living room.
Wow.
Really the good size, right?
Yes.
Really nice.
Tons of natural light coming in.
I think our antique stuff would look really good. A lot of our
Cool.
furniture is thrifted furniture.
Nice. You guys want to see the kitchen?
Yes.
It's really good.
Wow. Nice.
Isn't this great?
Yeah,
Really nice.
love it. So clean, and there's a lot of cabinet space, counter space.
I also like how the darker cabinets bounce off of the yellow walls.
It's a nice contrast.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Now, we have 9-foot ceilings here. Are
Okay.
these feeling good for you?
It works.
Perfect.
I don't feel closed in.
Are you dining room people?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Fantastic. Let's check out the dining room that they have
Right.
here.
Oh, wow. Okay, I like the blue. We could also like turn this into the playroom area for the kids
Maybe like close
and
it
keep
off.
that a little more clean.
Hey, whatever you guys want. How about we check out the bedrooms
Yeah,
upstairs?
sounds good.
All 4 bedrooms are up here, and 2 of them are already set up for kids. And then a really nice sized master.
Yeah, this is nice.
Really nice.
Tons of space in here for as much furniture as you need.
We come with a lot.
We do.
Stuff.
Yes.
I thought people like who were in the armed forces had less because you guys always were traveling to get rid of stuff.
Remember us telling you that we like to thrift?
So did you buy stuff in Japan?
No, we didn't buy stuff.
It was free.
We found stuff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, curb
A lot of military people get rid of good items.
I'm excited to see what you guys do with the house.
We would do a lot with this.
Want to check out the bathroom?
Yes.
I know you wanted a master bath.
Okay. Oh, that's more than enough space right there between the 2, huh?
Yes.
There's more space in the walk-in closet, but I really want to show them the super spacious backyard. Come on out, guys.
Wow. Oh my goodness. This is
Really
huge,
nice.
babe.
Huge yard, nice, cool, unusual pool. Perfect pool for entertaining.
Yeah, definitely. Man, I love it back here.
It's nice back here, isn't it?
Yeah. We really, really love this house. I mean, the layout, the rooms were perfect. The price.
I know.
Yeah.
But I wanted to start big and start you out with something that could be the ultimate property, the tippy top of your budget. We'll go down from now on.
All right.
right.
Sounds
Sound good?
I'm
yeah.
ready.
So today, we're at Lynnhaven Manor. It's a great house in a wonderful, well-established neighborhood. It has everything they asked for. It's got a pool. It is move-in ready. There are projects if you want, but if this is your style, there's really nothing to do. There are my cuties. How are you guys doing?
Hi.
Fabulous. What do you think of the house?
I love it. Great curb appeal.
Let me tell you a little bit about Lynnhaven Manor. It's got 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, 2,000 square feet. It has that lovely pool that you're looking for.
Okay.
Yes. All right. And the price is fantastic at $385,000.
All right.
Now you're talking my language.
Ready to check it out?
Let's do
Yes.
Let's do this. Little red door for the spice in your
I love
life.
that.
Come on in, guys.
Wow.
it. Really
I
nice.
love it.
I love
right?
the fireplace.
Yeah, I love the fireplace too. I love these windows that they have here.
There's a lot of space in here. That's a big sofa. That's a big ottoman. And this is a big piece of furniture
Yeah.
as well.
I love the
Yes.
colors too.
Good. Floors are beautiful, though, aren't
Love
they?
it.
Very love it.
They transition to tile
Yes,
when we go
to
into
the
the kitchen.
kitchen.
I think we should go and check it out. So we have a nice sized kitchen. There's not a beach vibe happening in here.
Not at all.
But because these are painted cabinets, you could paint these an ice
Yeah.
cream color and it will brighten up the space quite a bit.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
We're still $15,000
Yeah.
under budget, which is really nice. And obviously,
The Jets.
we're hearing the Jets.
Yes.
And you said this is
Love 'em.
comfortable for you.
Definitely. We're so used to
Yeah.
it.
Fantastic. And we do have 9-foot ceilings in
Yes.
here, which I know that you like.
I don't mind the ceilings.
Good. Well, this house does have 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs.
Oh.
All right.
Come on into the master.
Wow. Okay, this is nice.
A little smaller than
Yeah, a
yesterday,
little smaller.
but gigantic pieces of furniture. King-size bed, huge armoire, and a big dresser.
Yeah.
If you downsize just the pieces a little bit, you'll have a little bit more wiggle
Yeah.
room. Why don't you guys check out the master bath and see if that's
All
of
right.
liking to
Yeah,
you.
these are nice. The sinks are cute.
Really nice.
A few things that we would change,
Of course.
but
we can live with
definitely
it.
livable.
Now
Yeah.
you can see the difference between the 2 different price ranges. Just something you'll have to gauge when we
Yeah.
continue to look. Down the hall is a full-size bathroom and a cute room for baby Trey because I know they're not afraid of color. And I've picked out Sky's room too. How cute is this?
Oh, I love
Super
the step
cute.
down.
I do
Now
too.
this is
I love
nice.
that. Yeah.
cute, right?
Yes, I love it. See her reading over there by that window.
Cute little nook.
Yeah.
All right, so we have one space to look at. That
Okay.
is the pool.
All
All right, let's do it.
Come on out, guys.
Oh wow.
Fun, right?
Really
Yes,
nice deck.
it's huge.
Huge deck. Nice little seating area. We have a great pool here.
Less
there.
upkeep.
It's a lot less upkeep. Hampton Road, amazing backyard. Lots of work on a weekend.
Mm-hmm, Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Here,
Very
you got
minimal.
maybe an hour if you're pushing it.
Exactly.
So what do you guys think?
I love it. There will be a few things that we do change.
But with it being so low on the price point,
Right.
you know, we can
Yes.
easily do that. And
Yeah, eventually it's
move-in
definitely
ready.
move-in ready.
All right, I do have a really good one. We're reaching the tippy top of the 400s.
Okay.
I'm excited to show you.
We're excited too.
So today, I'm taking Keith and Sheris to the Greenbrier. And because I know they want to spend a lot of time outside, I think they're going to love this one. The backyard is wonderful, and that just adds a whole nother level to life. It really does. Hello, hello.
Hey.
How much fun is this?
Oh, it's exciting.
Isn't
Seriously.
it? This house is really great. Let me tell you a little bit about it. The Greenbrier has 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms.
Nice.
Please. It's our biggest of homes at 2,482 square feet.
Yeah, okay.
And we're right at the tippy top of your original budget.
Uh-huh.
At $397,000.
Nice.
All right.
See, that's what I like.
Yeah.
Budget and space.
Yes.
You guys want to check it out?
Definitely.
Of course you do.
Talking my language.
Yes. Come on, guys. Come on in.
Oh, wow, this is nice.
Really nice.
Yeah,
Very
look
tall.
at the ceiling
I have space.
to grow.
Yes.
Let's start in the formal living room. It's cute, right?
Yes.
Lots of
Right.
space here, and
Yeah.
the fireplace is really, really fun.
I love this. I can see a lot with this, like especially at Christmas, the garland and all the lights.
Stockings.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now, the house is great, but there are some updates.
Okay.
The first one here is in the kitchen, but it's a great kitchen overall.
Take a look. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Love all the space that the counters do offer.
No, we don't have granite.
No, we don't.
I would love granite.
We would.
And that's something I would definitely invest in.
Maybe they have them on the curb somewhere, babe.
We can curbside pick up some granite. Oh, I would be so excited.
But
Definitely love the space in here,
Yeah,
though. I'm
I
getting good
don't hate
vibes.
it.
It's really nice, and it opens up to an eat-in kitchen here, which is awesome. And then a nice family room here that's great when you have kids.
definitely,
Yes.
I can definitely see us cooking, eating, relaxing.
I'm not crazy about this separation here, but you know, we can live with it, so.
Very 90s. You could definitely rip this out. Little demolition doesn't cost any money.
Nothing major so
Nothing
far.
major at all.
There's a guest suite downstairs and another full bathroom upstairs, right next to the kids' rooms. So here is a really good sized bedroom, possibly
this is
for
really
Sky,
big,
right?
yeah.
I love the natural light in here.
This is the size of most master bedrooms.
Okay.
Now we have to look at your bedroom.
Okay.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Where the magic happens, right?
Oh, what? Sure.
Oh,
Really spacious.
yeah.
This is about the same size as Hampton Road. The difference is this.
Oh,
Wow.
okay,
This makes it feel so much more spacious.
Yes,
but
it does.
square footage wise, about the same size.
Wow.
Why don't you guys check out the master bath, see if that works for you.
Oh.
Babe, a tub I can actually fit
Look,
in.
and it has jets, babe. Oh my God.
my goodness.
Maybe I should get in with you too.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my God.
All
There
right,
is.
David, you too. Let's go.
Get
Let's
in,
go.
David.
Yeah, I don't swing that way. But I could be tempted to join them out back. Come on out, guys.
Oh my goodness.
My God.
Right?
Now this is what I'm talking about.
Look at the pool, babe. I mean,
Pool's huge. And then the extra added bonus of having this water
That
moment
is
here is
awesome.
it takes the backyard and elevates it times 10
Yes.
to me.
Even though we don't have the privacy from the other one, I
Right.
still feel like, you know, this
Yeah,
is the
secluded a little
ultimate
bit.
backyard. It's been really fun to see like the different personalities, each neighborhood, all the pools. It's getting my creative juices
I'm
flowing.
glad. This is the part where I usually would say take all the time you need, but we're in Virginia Beach. Things fly off the market here. And if you feel like one of these is your dream home, let's hop on it. Let's get
Yeah.
you in.
yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be tough.
It's gonna be tough. All right. This has been so much fun with you guys.
So much fun.
Did you guys like the houses?
We did.
All of them.
Saw a lot of good ones. Let's start with the first one, Hampton Road. Our most expensive, but when you go into that backyard, it was so secluded. You barely
Oh my
had
God,
neighbors.
Yeah, it's really a big backyard. I can see the kids playing back there and
Entertaining, family.
Yeah.
And also some of the finishings inside. Walking into that bathroom and the closet, you can't get any better than that.
So then we took a little jaunt over to Lynn Haven Manor. To me, that was my favorite community.
Yeah. Oh, I love the community there.
Yeah.
The family vibe, it was awesome.
Even while we were walking around the neighborhood, I could really see us being there, you know, and
You know, definitely it was our smallest house. Needed
Yeah.
a few updates.
yes.
Yeah.
Huge deck in the back though, and all the entertaining space back there.
Yeah. And the advantage of the backyard, didn't have a ton of grass, so that means a lot less maintenance
Yeah.
and more
Yes.
time for you to spend with kids.
Yeah.
Then we went across town, found a great little piece of property on the cul-de-sac, Greenbrier. Cool house, big, our biggest home.
Yes,
Definitely.
Yeah.
definitely.
Even though that was a house that needed the most updates.
Yes.
Needed the granite. It was a great layout of the house.
The master bedroom was great.
Yeah, the tub. Both of
Fit
us
in
could
the
fit in the
tub.
tub.
Yeah.
All three of us almost fit in the tub.
And that was my favorite backyard just
Oh,
because
yeah.
of that pond. It just extends the eye view and it's
Yes.
effervescent.
Yes.
Very
Fantastic.
nice.
Nice little surprise.
Sounds like you have great things to say about everything. Really glad that you loved all the houses.
A lot of decision making, but I
Yeah.
think we did make our decision.
Tell me.
Okay.
Are you going to tell him or should I?
You tell him.
We're going to go with Greenbrier.
Yummy house.
It was perfect. You hit it out the park. The backyard was everything that we ever
Very
wanted.
yummy.
Yeah.
Even inside, my fro would fit in every room in that house.
all the fro.
And even though there was those updates, I still feel like we could just move right in there and make it home.
Yeah.
Well, let's do this.
All right.
Let's get you this house.
Yes.
So exciting.
So we ended up choosing Greenbrier. It just really knocked off everything off of our list that was major to us.
The space itself is wonderful.
Our kids, too, they just love the space. You could just tell that it would be ideal for our family.
Do you love your new room? Yeah. Yeah? It's definitely functional enough for our family for the upcoming years as well.
Need a floss guy. Hey, go Trey, go Trey, go Trey.
Do the sprinkler for them,
Trey.
guys.
Trey's like, this was really a dream of ours to have a community where, you know, our house could be the focal point of the kids' parties, different things like that. Why can't we all get treatment like this? With being in the military and moving so much, it was hard for us to really plant our seed and get settled. But now that we're in our forever home and I'm not leaving anytime soon, we're not going anywhere.
Yeah, we're not.
We can make friends and, you know, really be the hostess of the mostest, you could say.
Definitely.